Namaste. I am Osin and I am studying in class 5 in Loyola School, Bhubaneswar. This is my third book, Dashavataram. I feel there are some divine blessings for my book as it was published a few days back. But I got a physical copy of this on the auspicious day of Vishwakarma Puja. Lord Vishwakarma is believed to be the god of creation. This book describes more about the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu. This book tells us how the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu were born, who were their fathers and mothers in these births, and how they helped Mother Earth and humans and animals to be saved from demons and all types of evils. Now I will tell you something about two of my books which I have written earlier. My first book was the Ramayana, which I wrote at class 3, and my second book is Adventure with the Sea and the Sand, which I wrote at class 4. Now I will tell you some highlights from my book Dashavataram, and as I told you, this is the third book. I am very happy for this to get published. Now I will tell you some highlights. This book contains some pictures about the 10 avatars which I have drawn myself, and I have also written some questions at the end of each chapter so that you can test your knowledge about the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu after reading this book. This book is available in many platforms including Amazon, Flipkart and Notion Press. Please do buy this book and give your valuable comments so that I can learn to improve and get inspiration to write such more books. I thank Lord Vishnu for helping me to publish this book, as I know that nothing is possible in this world without him. Thank you. Namaste.